To simplify the square root of 96, the first step is to factor 96. We want to factor the thing under the radical, so let's do that. To factor 96, my first step is to create a prime factorization tree. This tells me that 96 can be factored into 2 times 48, and 48 can be factored into 2 times 24, and 24 can be factored into 2 times 12, and 12 can be factored into 2 times 6, and 6 can be factored into 2 times 3. So I know that my prime factors of 96 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now that I have my factors, I can use them to rewrite my original expression. So I can say that radical 96, or the square root of 96, is equal to the square root of the product of its factors. In this case, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. My next step is to circle any pairs that I have. So when I look at that, I see there's a pair of 2's, and there's a pair of 2's, and there are no other pairs. My next step is to take my pairs, and I'm going to cross them out, and then move them out to the front of the radical. So I'm going to cross out that pair of 2's and move it outside the radical. Now my final step is to multiply the terms outside of the radical and to multiply the terms inside of the radical. Outside of the radical, I have 2 times 2 equals 4. Inside the radical, I have 2 times 3 equals 6. So my final answer is going to be what's outside the radical, 4, times the square root of what's inside the radical, 6. So 4 root 6, or 4 times the square root of 6, and that's the most I can simplify. There's no way to simplify it any further than that.